I get asked all the time, how did I lose the weight? I've lost 76 pounds in the past 3 years, 35 of them here in 2023, thanks to keto eating. I just made a video for YouTube. I'll make sure I put some information on how you can find that. If you want to know what I've done to not only lose a lot of weight, but feel better. My joint pain is so much better. My inflammation, my autoimmune issues. Oh my gosh, you guys, my life is completely different. Keto has saved my life. That's not hyperbolic. That is absolutely the truth. I share some of the resources that I've used and what's worked for me. I love you guys so much. I would not steer you guys wrong. I would not tell you something if I didn't believe it with all my heart. This is not sponsored. Nobody has sent me anything related to keto. Look at my guy back there. He's waking up. I just want you guys to know what I'm doing because you've asked and what's worked for me. And if you've never tried keto, please read Dr. Bosworth's books. I put some information in that video. It's changed my life. It has changed my life. That's all I can say. It's about more than weight. It's about health. And I'm so grateful. Look below for information.